Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Excel. In this video, we'll understand what Microsoft Excel is and why it is still important to learn Excel even today. Microsoft Excel was first developed by Microsoft in the year 1985, and this is a spreadsheet software program where the data in Excel is organized in columns and rows. And this software is developed to do some basic mathematical calculations or do some logical functions or statistical functions. Excel runs on all devices like on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS. So Excel is easy to learn and it's also easily available for multiple devices. And it supports various tasks like budgeting, inventory tracking, data analysis. It has over 400 functions like VLOOKUP, SUMIFs, and etc. It can be easily connected with Power BI, MS Teams, and OneDrive, so which will help in using in data analysis and data visualization. And for automation of tasks for business solutions, VBA support is also available for scripting. And Excel, why choose Excel? Because of its vast applications in almost all industry. Most of them use Excel in their day-to-day life. Now, coming to the various functions and where it is relevant, it is used in marketing and product management. It is used in finance and accounting. It is used in human resource planning, in customer data management, and tracking product sales. You can also automate the business tasks with Excel, build Excel dashboards, and you can handle big and small data better with Excel. And and you can use Excel to grow your network and grow a business. So every business needs Excel, and that's why you need to learn Excel if you're going applying for a job or if you're going to be an entrepreneur. Now, let's understand what is spreadsheet software means. Now, Excel, the interface when you open a blank workbook will show you this interface. Now, this interface here is divided, you can divide it into two sections. One is a spreadsheet. So this entire portion here is a spreadsheet, which I've highlighted now. And the above topmost, which you have seen here, is a ribbon. Now, ribbon has got different tabs with file, home, insert, formulas, data view. Now, these are commands. Okay, these are the tabs which have different sections or group of commands with which we'll be able to perform some calculations or perform some arithmetic expressions. Now, spreadsheets, the meaning of spreadsheet here means this spreadsheet is having columns and rows. So anything that is arranged in a grid that has columns and rows is called a spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet in Excel is named in columns with alphabets, right? So column A to Z, and so on and so forth. So we have these columns from A to Z here, the column names, and you have the rows from 1 to 37, which you can view here. And in Excel, there are many more rows and many more columns. And the intersection of this column A and the row is what is called as cell. And wherever I click this, the cell gets highlighted. That is called the active cell. And this and if you want to know you're in which cell, so the cell you can see here, there is a name box, which is telling that you're in the column C and the row number 3. So this is the name box, okay, where it gives the cell address. So the cell address is also given. And for entering data into Excel, you have to enter in the cell, okay, is in the cell, and you can enter some amount of text, and you can also enter a date type of formats. You can enter the number formats and the time formats and such kind of and can do various mathematical calculations and do some data manipulation and data analysis with Excel. So this is what a spreadsheet means. I hope you have understood what exactly spreadsheet. We'll be talking about the ribbon, the functions of this ribbon, and what are these commands that are there in the next video. And before that, uh, we should know like how to start whenever you start with an Excel as a beginner. So first thing is that you have to understand the basics. First, you try to learn the interface. So, and then try to learn how to do the data entry into the interface, that is into your spreadsheet, and then start doing the basic formulas. So for this, you can take support from online tutorials, or you can enroll in some good courses for learning the Excel, and practice them regularly so that you can apply in real world scenarios. And later, and once you practice it regularly and slowly upgrade it to intermediate formulas and data tools, and then go to explore advanced master pivot tables and data validation and macros. So we'll see how to open an Excel file, and also the Excel interface. We'll try to understand the Excel interface in our next video. Thank you for watching the video.